Hi, to add apps to home screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is swipe up to enable your app drawer and find app you want to add to your homepage. For example, Netflix. For that, I'm gonna press and hold it and choose this button Add to Home just by tapping it, or I can press and hold it and just drag like that to the home screen and place it anywhere I want to. I can even move it to the next page by simply dragging it across this border like that and simply drop to leave on the home screen. To remove app from the home screen, press and hold it and choose this middle button Remove. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.